Welcome to Slide Egg. In this video, I'll show you how to create an animated timeline with the Morph transition in PowerPoint. Make sure you've already inserted an image onto the slide. Now, add guidelines. Place a vertical guideline at 5 and a horizontal one at 1. Next, go to the Shapes menu and select a circle. Drag it onto the center of the slide. Adjust its size to 1.2 inches in both height and width. Once it's in place, align it to the center and middle of the slide. Change the outline color of the circle to white, and remove the fill color. Now, right-click on the circle and select Format Shape. Under the line options, increase the outline width to 1.5 points. Then, press Ctrl and drag the circle to duplicate it twice to the right. Repeat the same process to duplicate it twice to the left. After that, draw a line connecting the first circle to the second one. Change the line's outline color to white and increase its width to 2.25 points. Duplicate this line to connect all the circles. It's time to add icons to the circles. Insert your icons and change their color to white. Resize the icons so they fit neatly inside the circles. Once done, align and center them within the circles. Now, group each circle with its corresponding icon. To do this, right-click the shape, click Group, and repeat the process for all the shapes. Then, select all the grouped shapes, go to Size and Properties, and lock the aspect ratio to keep everything consistent. Next, duplicate the slide 5 times. On each slide, make small adjustments to one of the circles. Start with the first circle, adjust its size to 1.6 inches. Change its color to white, and set the icon color to black. On the second slide, adjust the second circle in the same way. Repeat this process for the remaining slides, increasing the size of each circle slightly as you go. Once you've made all the adjustments, return to the first slide. Go to the Transitions tab and apply the Morph transition to all the slides. Finally, add text to each slide, one at a time, to complete the timeline. And there you have it. You've created an animated timeline with Morph transition in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Slide Egg for more amazing PowerPoint tips.